Hey traders, welcome back. Here we are on the silver chart or XAGUSD chart, and it is 4-hour time frame. As I told you in my previous analysis, I told you that with the break of this trend line to the upside, we can enter buy position on daily time frame, which the daily candle closed above this trend line. I will show you that. But I told you that for second confirmation, we should wait for this resistance to be broken to the upside on daily time frame. Then we can actually enter buy position with more safety, okay? Which it didn't happen. You know, we had the daily time frame broken to the upside, if I show you here, but on 4-hour time frame we didn't have any breakout to the upside of this resistance. Instead, the price got rejected from that level, and when we see that pin bar there, if I can zoom in, when we see that pin bar there, we can actually risk on that and enter sell position too. We can enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here. Of course, even more than risk to reward 2 somewhere here, okay? Something like 3 or 4. And the point is, right now, if we check lower time frames, like 1-hour time frame, the price is making some, you know, illogical movements right now. Let's check 15-minute time frame too. We don't have anything special, but in 15-minute time frame, in my previous analysis, I told you that I don't remember it is a short analysis or long video analysis. I told you that with the break of this trend line to the downside, we can enter sell position, which didn't happen. So we delete this one here. The price started going up from that level, and right now we don't have anything special. Let's check 5-minute time frame too. We don't have anything special. The price is just going up on 1-minute time frame, my favorite time frame. We don't have anything special. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what is price is doing here. I think his price is getting range here, you know. If we can delete this one here like this, the price is rejected from this level, so the price can start falling from this level here until this support. And if we see some nice candles again on this support, we can actually enter buy position again. And the price is bouncing between these two levels. It is going up and down, and I told you that with the break, actually, if we see a nice candle here, we can enter buy position. And what is a nice candle is actually a pin bar, or like this one here, a long shadow from downside and a small body, or actually a nice green candle showing that the price is got rejected from that level here, and then we can actually risk on that and enter buy position. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of silver. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of silver in the upcoming days, or XAGUSD by technical side. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. On the first position, which it was like this, actually let me tell you that this is 4th of May 2023, if you can see it there, and also it is 5-minute time frame. We have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. When we see this green candle to broken this trend line to the downside, not a red candle, okay? So we extended the trend line and wait for the next candles to break it. So when we see this candle breaks it to the downside, we enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candles, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 5 somewhere here. And on the second position we did, but let me tell you something, that this position had the potential to give us a reward of 5, okay, and it doesn't mean that we should take all that reward 5. Some people close it on RR4, some people close it on RR3, and some people close it on RR5, okay, and it depends on the person who is trading and the mood that person is when he is trading or she is trading in that time. On the trade 2, we had this trend line, which it was a trend line for 1 minute time frame, but we could also enter in the 5 minute time frame too, which you can see we have a trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that, if we can show it like this, even 5 touches. And when we see this candle break it to the upside, so we enter buy position, set our stop loss number safe or even safer like here, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of a bit lesser than 5, somewhere here, you know, on that pin bar there. Let me clean it that we can see the trade 3, which we had a trend line here. Again, you might ask me why you are trading with breakouts this much, why you are this much trading with breakouts and trend lines, and it is the answer is because it is my strategy, and whenever I trade with support and resistances, I actually, you know, I lose money. Not always, but you know, most of the times. But whenever I trade with trend lines like this one, compressions, you know, I make my money, you know, and it is better than support and resistances actually. But I always show you some support and resistances examples too. On the trade 3, we did have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that. And when we see this candle break it to the downside, we enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 3, somewhere here. On the trade 4, which was a position for the 1 minute time frame, we had this small trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. When we see this candle break it to the upside, we enter buy position here, set our stop loss below the candle, or even safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our reward somewhere here, and then it continues going up again. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis and the education part. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, tell me your ideas about the future of XAGUSD or silver in the upcoming days by technical side, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments, then I am happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, bye bye.